S. Super shining stars. So today we are going to learn alphabet with their sounds. So let's start. Oh, I need a partner for my help. Oh, where's my magical stick? Oh, here we go. Abracadabra, gilly choo. Oh, we got a partner. So let's start. A sound is and A is for apple. B sound is B is for ball. Ball. C sound is C is for cat. Cat. D sound is D is for dog. Dog. E sound is E is for elephant. Elephant. F sound is F is for fish. Fish. G sound is G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H sound is for hat. Hat. I sound is E. I is for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. J sound is J. J is for juice. Juice. Yummy. I like orange juice. No, I like mango juice. No, I like orange juice. If you like orange juice, so like this video. And if you like mango juice, so subscribe my channel. K sound is K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L sound is L. L is for lemon. Lemon. Flower. Start. The kids are hearing you, right? Start. Quickly, I'm hearing you. Where is he? I don't understand. He was here before, right? But you're here. I know that. We'll miss him a lot. But it's okay. Let's continue our lesson with you. You are here, so you start. M sound is M. M is for mango. Yummy and sweetie mango. N sound is N. N is for noodles. Spicy and delicious noodles. O sound is O. O is for onion. Onion. Spicy. P sound is P. P is for panda. Panda, so cute. Q sound is quack. Q is for quilt. Quilt. R sound is R. R is for rain. Rain. Oh, it's raining. Stop. S sound is S. S is for soap. Soap. Hand washing. T sound is D. D is for train. Train. U sound is U is for unicorn. Unicorn. Wow, unicorn. We sound is W. We is for van. Van. W sound is W. W is for water. Water. X sound is X. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y sound is Y. Y is for yogurt. Yummy Zebra. I hope so you enjoyed my video. So for next time, if you want to watch my videos, so come in my channel. Bye bye.